Hi, this is Josie Lemos from BeyBladeWorld.net, and this video is called the Beyblade Sonic Boom Explosion Battle Series Battle 4. For our fourth match, it's Antler Goat versus Tornado Leone versus Tornado L-Drago. So our battles will be in the Blue Hole Stadium. That is custom, may I add. So let me just set up the launchers because it's going to be kind of hard because I have to grab this one because one's L, one's R, the other one's R. It's basically 3 different launchers. Okay, I am ready. Let's go. And now Drago. Nope, don't worry, I got it. There we go. So anyways, now John started. Antler Coast is definitely rotating. Looks like the Tail L-Drago is slowing down a lot. And he's slowing down a lot. L-Drago's out. Anyways, now they'll go versus Leone. Leone. And our winner is Tornado Leone. I just wanted to wait, you know, might surprise us. Right? Now, L-Drago. No! So now round 1. Leone is now launched. So the first battle is getting started. So who will win? Will it be Leone, Antler Goat, or Tornado L-Drago Spark Effects? Well, not Spark Effects. Tornado L-Drago Spark. Anyways, Leone attacks some L-Drago Spark. L-Drago Spark is doing all this rotation. Looks like Antler Goat maybe might win this round. L-Drago is slowing down a lot. L-Drago is out. Now Leone is attacking Antler Goat. So who will win the first round? Will it be the goat or the lion? And our winner is Antler Goat with the score of 1-0-0. So I'm just gonna get ready now. Alright, I am now ready, so now round 2. And now, Leone! Now, round 2 is getting started with this amazing music. Who will win? Will L-Drago Spark finally take a win? Or will Antler Goat take the victory? Or will Leone prove it's the ultimate thing? Let us see on Zankye. L-Drago is out. Now both Beyblades are attacking each other. Will Leone be the victor? Or will Antler Goat take the win? Let us see. Maybe Antler Goat will take the win and make the score 2-0. Let's see. And a second now. Our winner is Antler Goat once again with the score of 2-0. So I was right. It was 2-0. So now, round 3. And now, Leone. So who will win? Will it be L-Drago, Leone, or Antler Goat? Let us see in this video. Who will win? Oh, L-Drago's out. L-Drago is out. Now Antler Goat attacks Leone. But it looks like these barrage attacks aren't doing that much damage. But will Leone pull it off with its special move? Let us see. Who will win? And our winner is Antler! Let's go! So now the fans round. I gotta say this, oh, let's drop Leone. I will grab in a second. This wasn't such a bad battle. Yeah, go fun. So I'm just gonna grab Leone real quick. Right? Now the fans round. Really? Now, who will win the fans round? The goat, the lion, or the dragon? It might surprise you, but it might be the goat. Now, who will win? Let us see. Drago's out. Now it looks like goes to Tyler and Leone. It can go either way. Leone could win or L-Drago. Or Leone could win. Leone or Antler goes. I'm gonna say L-Drago. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stall now with me talking. I'm gonna be talking out over the lights because I am stalling. And our winner is Antler Goat. Okay, so Antler Goat is the winner. It did not lose any round. So please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.